Hi, Audrey here. I'm a current student at the College of Food, Agricultural, and Natural Resource Sciences, or CFANS as we call it. I'm really excited to be able to give you a sneak peek into what makes CFANS and the U of M such an awesome and unique place to be a student. Let's start with our location. CFANS is a college within the University of Minnesota Twin Cities campus, which features 3 distinct areas: East Bank, West Bank, and St. Paul. Throughout your time as a student here, you will take classes on each part of campus, all of which are just a short bus ride away. What makes being a CFANS student truly special are the resources and spaces available in St. Paul. Ask anyone here and they will tell you that it really feels like stepping onto a small college campus in the heart of a Big Ten university. So next, let's dive into what makes the St. Paul campus stand out. For one, you won't be confined to a lecture hall for long at CFANS. If you enjoy learning by doing, you'll love the variety of outdoor classroom experiences and labs you have available to you on the campus, across the state, and around the world. In fact, CFANS has a huge emphasis on hands-on learning, and our spaces reflect that. The St. Paul campus alone features over 160 acres of research land, animal barns, food production facilities, and science and engineering labs, all within walking distance. Your time at CFANS is about more than just coursework. It is about gaining new perspectives, experiences, and friendships. After just a few classes, you'll start to see many familiar faces walking around the St. Paul campus who are all there to support you. From your peers to your professors and academic advisors, everyone around you wants to help you succeed. St. Paul quickly starts to feel like home to all of us in CFANS. As a CFANS student, you'll get the direct experience you're looking for to follow your passions right here on the St. Paul campus. While we know this is just a brief look at student life at CFANS, we have so much more that we look forward to sharing with you.